Traders, just going to run through last week's VIP trade alerts, or trade signals rather, and show you the outcome. And I'll just start alphabetically from the top. I've got them marked in green. EuroCAD, this one, I was looking for a pullback, high-low retrace, sell, but I ignored these buy signals, and this one as well. Sold it, and I decided to close this on this alert. Main reason, the buy signals were kicking in. We had this range and then a sudden dip under the range. Generally tells me that it's a run on liquidity. So I ended up closing this one in profit. Pound Aussie was the next one. The reason for selling this, it's in the red zone. We've got the sell signals exactly here. All right, looking at the high-low retrace and get involved, especially when you see a dot and a red sell signal in the red zone. That one we closed into the end of the week in profit. I closed the whole basket of trades. We were well and truly in front, and I decided to secure profits. And that was the level I closed. See the green dot down here? Okay, that's an indication. And the other thing that you can look for, are levels. There's a couple of yellow lines on there. They're previous daily levels. This is a 15-minute chart. Let's have a look at the pound Swiss. This one was closed with a basket of trades at 1.11586 to be exact. It was running in a negative territory, but I decided to close this up in here with a slight loss. We had a basket of trades well and truly in profit, and I decided to shut everything down at once. But, we're in the red zone. It's a little bit questionable. We've got a breakup of the red zone behind. Okay, so I wasn't so sure about it, and I decided to bail on this one, slightly negative. The pound yen, okay, a couple of nice trades. I closed into this green alert here, but again, look at this red zone. HTF kicks in. We've got the sell signal up in here. Take it. Closed it, and I was looking for the pullback for a re-entry. We had a bit of a pullback, and we re-entered here on the sell signal. There. And look, my stops are pretty wide at the moment. It's taking me a while to come to terms with setting tight stops. It'll come with time. I'm used to trading with wider stops on a 4-hour time frame, and I know that the volatility in the market can take us out pretty quickly. So I'm tending to keep my stops a little bit wide, but slowly as time goes by. The idea is, we build a strong buffer, and then we take more risks and tighten up stops and what have you. And the next one was gold. And this one we are buying. Why? Because it's in the green zone, simply put. This was we had a 2-hour target reach with that one. Okay, but there's the buy signal, the pullback. We went with it. This one here, I was looking for a counter trend, and I closed it at break even. I pulled the stop loss to break even fairly early, going against the grain guys, looking for the pullback. And I did the same up here. Looking for a counter trend pullback, and there were a couple of reasons why I took it. I'll show you the indicator, this one here. All right, see how we had this alert here. It's telling me to get ready basically for pullback, and I ended up taking it on this white candle, pulled my stop loss to break even very quickly, and if it continued down, well and good, but as it was, it pulled back and it took out the stop there. It's always a much riskier trade going against the grain guys. This one, and look, the other thing to look at when you're doing a counter trend trade is to enable this indicator. See here, right here, in fact, see this orange and yellow line, right? That is a resistance. Okay, we've got a weekly on the orange and a daily on the yellow, and if you see it's trading into a level like this and it's ranging, you've got this going on here. You can look for the short when these orange lines cross over, and the last crossover was here, the orange and red line, I should say. Okay, it's a little bit precise, but and the first white candle kick. See how the candles are green? So the first white candle kicked in, and I was short right there, and then it pulled back, and our stop loss pulled it very quickly to break even. Okay, you've got to use the tools on the indicators, guys, and understand what to look for. Okay, here again, we've got a counter trend. Okay, we traded into this level up in here. Monthly, weekly, okay, I'm good with that. So we bounced off that. White candles kicked in, so after the green candles. But more importantly, we had these, giving us these pullbacks here. 3 of them in a row, and with this continuing down like that, I thought we'd give it a shot. Got it on the pullback short, and we ended up closing it down around this level around here, this green dot, and that was a pretty good call. And then it pulled back, but that was gold. That was our counter trend trade. See how this is kicking in here, this green? All right, that's a good indication to bail on your counter trend. We are focusing on quality signals. It's not quantity. Some people ask me, how many signals do you post every day? I really don't want you to focus on that, guys. We want to go for quality setups. And then what you can do is increase your risk per trade and make a big difference. And as it was, we had a pretty good outcome. So this week we're going to be looking for the same. I'm going to do a video shortly, and we'll go through and do a bit of prep ready for the week, and I'll show you how we can set up alerts and get organized for trading into the coming week. Look, if you haven't already, here's an invite to join us in VIP. Look, there's a 2-week free trial. It'll cost you nothing. You gain access to the indicators. Go to my website, go to the free trial link, and if you want to try out the indicators, click on gold here or scroll down and click this link to get you into the gold page, and scroll down here. This is my preference, guys, instant access via WAP. Okay, so as soon as you click that and you click get access, you'll be able to grab your indicators immediately. All right, it's all set up automatically. I'll show you what this looks like, but there's another option if you want to do it by Stripe, but you need to allow 24-hour access because I have to manually onboard you and it's time consuming. My preference is WAP. So when you click this, it takes you to this page. You can click get access. You scroll down and read everything. There's some videos. More importantly, when you do join, you click this link here to gain access to my Forex Telegram VIP. This is the crypto VIP. The TradingView indicators, click that, and that will give you immediate access. You'll have them set up straight away in your invite-only scripts, and then you can get on with it. Now, the Trading 101 is the course. The password for the course is in the Forex Telegram channel in the pinned message. And then if you scroll further to the right, you can auto-copy our signals. Click on that, and that'll take you to a page where there's a tutorial on how to set up TS Copier and automatically copy my trades from Telegram into your MT4 or MT5. Okay, guys, so that's a wrap for last week's VIP trades. Stay tuned for the next video because we're going to go through and look at some opportunities, and I'll explain this strategy so you understand what we're looking for. So with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.